Hi everybody. Well, all I can say is no manners. Absolutely no manners. As you can see, I'm watching, Sean City Troy Reptiles did a live stream, and of course Ed is there in the background, hard at work, that he is. But my girl Lily does not care whatsoever if I'm doing anything. She is more than happy to say, let me out. Just let me out. And then you can get on with doing what you want to do. But I know that she needs to go outside today and use the bathroom. So it isn't about her just coming out at this particular point and heading on up to the hangout spot. I'm going to have to keep my eye on her butt end today. So, of course I'm not going to leave Lily doing this. And I will mute the live. Just so you're not hearing in the background there. But let's open the door for Missy here. As I said, and lots and lots of Lily. She's not too perturbed about the weather, whether it's hot, cold, or otherwise. What are you doing? What are you doing? She said, what I always do, Mum. What do you mean? What are you asking me? What am I doing? I was at the door. I was letting you know I wanted to come out. And, of course, you did what I told you to do, which was open the door for me. So, today, do you think you might need the bathroom? And should I actually do that for you today? What do you think? I think that you probably do. Yesterday, I did take her outside. It was warm, very warm out there. And Lily very, very quickly made her way to the front door. Did not use the bathroom. So she very quickly said to me, let's go back inside. It's much, much cooler inside. But guys, I will get Lily picked up because I am going to take her out, and I will take the camera today, and we shall see, of course, if she needs the bathroom. So I'll be back. Okay, getting the shoes on to go out in the grass only because of ants. And I often wonder if the ants, I don't know if they can really bite the snakes as such, but I'm sure they do. I've seen them flinch a couple of times, but they're pretty tough and they do okay. We're a little bit further from the actual front door today because my lawnmower man came and mowed my lawn. So of course they look lovely after they're mowed, and we've got a little bit of green back into the lawn, so it's not so crunchy when you actually stand on it. But I'll spin you around. As you can see, there is finally some green going on, and we'll get closer to the to the trampoline so Lily can at least go under it, though it's looking really rather overcast today, so the sun isn't beating down on us today. Lily, would you like to come down? I don't know what you can see at this particular point, but she's going down. And as soon as she uses the bathroom, even though that sun, it's not too bad, really. Not too humid, slight breeze going on today, but we'll certainly see if my girl will go to the bathroom. I'll feel so much better knowing that she has, and then she's free to, you know, make her way wherever she wants to go in the room. But you know, if she hasn't gone to the bathroom, she's very unsettled, and it's her making the connection that she needs the bathroom, and this isn't the right place to go to the bathroom. So she's kind of all over the place and doesn't settle anywhere, and it's pretty much a good sign that, you know, Lily is saying, can I please go to the bathroom? And sometimes I get it right, and I've said this too, you know, I don't always get it right, but you know, it's not like they can actually say. I do have to try and read the body language from them, and try and figure out what it is that they're saying. But in general, when she's quite finicky inside and acting unsettled and unsure about where she wants to go, it is a fairly good indicator to me to bring her on outside and at least give her the option. I mean, what's the big deal really in the end, whether she does go or she doesn't go. That's what it's all about. But right now she's pretty much just checking everything out. Oh, and that breeze is rather nice, though a bit warm, not exactly chilly. We've just had extreme heat here day after day after day, and no letting up, so it's been really quite, I guess, wearing, you know, on a lot of people, this particular heat. And your house doesn't really get an opportunity to cool down either. It's just overnight the temperatures barely change as well. So the floor's hot, the walls are hot, everything is just hot to touch, even with the air conditioning going pretty much from the moment I get up in the morning. Well, not the moment, because, you know, sometimes I'm up at 5 o'clock in the morning, but, you know, generally by about 9 I flick that on and get the house cooled down, and it pretty much stays on until 9 odd when I go to bed at night. And I do have an air conditioner in my actual bedroom. I could not sleep without it here, and here in Queensland I do not know how anybody could not have air conditioning, and I know not everybody does have it. You know, not the most cheapest of things to run, and those that are a little less fortunate financially probably, number one, couldn't afford one, and then to have it actually put and connected and then pay the bill that comes along with running it. But in lots of ways it's rather essential, and my dogs would not manage at all in the hot weather. But you know, yeah, I know I'm talking about the weather and you're thinking, wow, I guess that's something to talk about. But you know, the weather is a big factor in a snake's life too. People seem to think that heat might be when they are the most active and so forth, but that is absolutely not true. It knocks them around as well. The heat, you know, my snakes are being, I've just got to flick that. It's a wasp. Well, I'm glad the wasps have gone and vacated. I saw that hanging on the plant. Now it's just pretty much the ants are doing their job of what's actually left. Lily, I really only just brought you out to go to the toilet. And she says, I know, Mum, but it's hot and it's humid and it's, you know, big snakes. Humidity can really impact their energy, you could say. It is much tougher on them to move around, and they tire, you know, quite quickly in the heat. As you can see, you know, Lily, this is pretty much what she's done, and I've brought her outside for the past couple of days, and today being the third day, and every time she's just come straight this way. This is where she heads for. This is the front door. This is where she wants to go. She wants to go home. So, being as that is it, and that is what Lily wants today, or again, I am just going to take her back inside. She does not want to be outside. It's rather sweaty outside, isn't it, Lil? Hey? You just want to go indoors? Come on. We can go inside then. I'm quite happy to go back inside. Come on. Let's go. Of course, naturally, I will have to pick her up and bring her in. Otherwise, she'll have dogs jumping all over her when I open up the front door. Hey. Yeah? Are you just looking for somewhere cooler to maybe hang out? Alright, guys. These birds. Yes, there's a big snake. Just her size. Birds. Yeah. Take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao.